Hey guys, what's up? I hope you're all having a wonderful day. I'm just going to go over FCEL, Fuel Cell Energy Inc. And mainly because I really like their chart pattern. I really like how it's laid out. It's almost like a perfect chart, and I want to go over it and show you guys exactly how you can trade a chart like this in the future, just from a few simple tactics that I've picked up along the way. Let me go ahead and draw trend lines right up here. So first of all, this is an uptrend, and you know that because it has higher highs and higher lows along the way, and you can buy in it along the way up as well as the way down. So this basically gives us a basis of support for the next trading day. So we see that this basis of support acts as a support over here for this day, because this is yesterday, this is Tuesday, and this is Wednesday. So there was good news on the stock, and whenever I like to look to buy in, I like to look for an initial spike, obviously, from, it went from 30 cents all the way to 47 cents, and then I like to look for dips, and that's how I determine when I'm going to buy in. So there's dips along the way here, all the way up. So there's one right here, one right here, one right here, right here, right here, all the way up, and the best possible time to get in on these dips is by looking at those key levels. So for example, whenever it broke out here, you saw that it struggled and hesitated here for a little bit. So you can see this as a key level. This is an identifying support and resistance level because it was having a little trouble getting past it. And once it did, it made a new resistance level up here. And it goes all the way back down to retest the support level. And this is where I'm looking to buy in. I'm looking to buy in off the support level retest. So you buy in right here. You hold, you hold, you hold. You see this higher low right here. And then you see this break in resistance up here. And then you see a new support form right here. So I know there's lots of lines. It looks pretty busy. But even after this initial trade, let's say you miss this trade. Let's say you miss this dip. You could have bought in up here on this higher high because that would have told you that it's going in an uptrend. If you miss this trade, the next thing I'd be looking for is a break in resistance, which would be up here. So as soon as this breaks out of this resistance, it still struggles a little bit to get past it, but as soon as it does, that's whenever we wait for a retest. We never want to buy on the breakout itself. We always want to wait for this retest. It's always going to come back down to at least this level or very close to this level to test it again. So right now it comes right back down, and you want to buy somewhere here. Test it again, right here, test it again, confirms. You set your stop loss a little below it, and then it goes up and continues to go up, has a higher low, higher high, sell out up here at the higher high. If you kept holding, you could have still made money just because of these higher highs and higher lows, but now you have this resistance in between here and here. So I know it's lots of lines and lots of confusing stuff, but it could have kept going up and up and up, and then by this time you would have seen this trend form, this uptrend, these two trend lines that I drew in the very beginning. So fast forward to the next day, it had all day support, uptrend going up, and then it establishes a good basis of support right here at 66 cents. It breaks out in the morning during pre-market all the way up into market open, which is right here. And this is what I call a morning panic and then a recovery. So there's many opportunities to buy right here because what's something that can go down really fast can go right back up really fast. So it goes down from 90 cents all the way down to 76 cents and then back up to $1. And right here is an opportunity to play this. And then once you see these dips before where it goes in between these lines, we can play these again because they're based off the same support levels and same resistance levels as they were before. Even if we're looking at the big picture here, we can see this dipped all the way back down to here, a common support level that was back here, and we can wait for a retest, which is exactly what it did. So it dipped off this, it retests this at a higher level, which is what we're looking for. We buy in right here, hold it until it gets back up here, which used to be a resistance level, and it acts as resistance again, and you sell it, right here. So I just want to show you that there's many opportunities to buy and sell in this. It's just about being patient, finding the right stock to trade, and being comfortable with the setups that you want to trade for. I personally like trading off of dips and retests, and other people like shorting, and some people like trading technical breakouts. That's on them. Whatever they're comfortable with, or whatever you're comfortable with, is perfectly okay. Just find something, stick to it, and I'm sure it'll work out in the end. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you around.